Yeah. This song goes out to my favorite song in the world. This song. Here we go. All I'm needing is some music, a melody to brighten up my day, and the notes that I am using. Don't you know they're laid up this way? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Whoa, the music's fine, so let's hear it one more time. Whoa, it feels so fine, so let's sing it one more time.
All the notes that I am using, they come together in a melody, and you know the one I'm choosing. So everybody sing along with me. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Whoa, the music's fine, so let's hear it one more time. Whoa, it feels so fine, so let's sing it one more time. Whoa, the music's fine, so let's hear it one more time. Whoa, it feels so fine, so let's sing it one more time.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
A mysterious package arrived at my door. Inside was a game I never heard of before. It looked pretty dated, but since it was free, I booted up my ancient Hewlett-Packard PC. I put in the disc, it started to run. Then braced myself for educational fun.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning.
All I need is 7 notebooks to break out of this game. Trapped inside of Baldi's Basics, and Baldi's pretty unnerving.
I hear every door you open.
I dare not doubt his claim.
Sleep, 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 sleep.
I found the next notebook on a desk before long.
I get more angry each time you answer wrong.
The numbers were jumbled, indiscernibly math. I knew from the smacking I'd incurred Baldi's wrath. Out in the hall, I heard a loud crack. Baldi was there, and he was on the attack. Can't escape from Baldi's Basics. I can't get past it's a bully.
Gonna take a piece of your candy.
Now I'm as good as dead. Let me out of Baldi's Basics, for love of all that is holy. Should have lit this game on fire and gone right back to bed.
I'm coming. I see you.
What the fudge does this thing do? It closed in fast and cornered me.
I'll hug you for eternity.
A student named Playtime appeared in my way. She pulled out her jump rope and said,
Let's play!
I tried to escape, but Baldi burst through the door. So I began skipping rope as I had never before.
1, 2, oops, you messed up. 1, 2, oops, you messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that makes me sad.
It's sweeping time.
I ran like the wind and heard the principal call as I dashed through the doorway.
No running in the halls.
His finger was pointed, his expression quite stern.
Detention for you.
He said,
When will you learn?
the timer ticked down, the smacking drew near. 2 seconds more before Baldi'd be here. Out of time at Baldi's Basics, and Baldi's one step behind me. Only missing one more notebook, but sweeping time up here. No way out of Baldi's Basics, and Baldi's certain to find me. Can't escape or use the soda, and there ain't no notebook here. Where is the 7th notebook?
Sweep, sweep, gotta sweep, sweep.
to ever be dismissed.
So without a care, he danced right there, and it went a little something like this. 'Cause he's a dancing kitten, can't ask for more. He's gonna win you over when he's on the floor. Going across the nation, come to your town. 'Cause he's a dancing kitten, and it's time for a kitty cat breakdown. Dance kitten, I get down kitten, do the jerk kitten, I do the smurf kitten, mow the lawn kitten, I do your taxes kitten, change your light bulb kitten, scratch kitty cat scratch.
Chucky, I just love it here. All the kids, the games, the fun.
Pizza!
Yeah, lunch, the pizza too.
If you all enjoy yourselves as much as we do, I think the world is gonna be a better place.
Tell him, Pasquale.
I got a feeling this is gonna be a special day. Me and my friends are making plans to go out and play.
When I wake up, I'm excited 'cause a new day's waiting for me. Yeah, we're not gonna waste being sad about silly things I can't see. Oh no,
You won't catch me frowning with tears in my eyes. I don't see rain clouds, just sunny skies.
Happy people come along with me.
Come on, everybody!
Get that silly frown right off your face. Put your troubles right there by the doorway. Because today we're having fun at Chucky's place.
The guys got me here at just about 7 o'clock. I think so. When we get together, I know we're gonna make this place rock. You hear me now?
what do you say we get your friends together with mine? We'll get this party rolling and all have a real good time.
Don't wait a minute, don't hesitate. I'm heading for Chucky's and I won't be late. Happy people come along with me.
Happy people only.
Get that silly frown right off your face.
Turn it upside down.
Put your troubles right there by the doorway.
Yeah, because today we're having fun at Chucky's place.
Happy people come along with me.
Yo, come on now, huh?
Get that silly frown right off your face.
Look at him. That's right.
Put your troubles right there by the doorway.
You leave them right there, huh?
Because today we're having fun at Chucky's place.
Speaking for Jasper Jowls, Mr. Munch, Pasquale, and the lovely Miss Helen Henning. I want you people to know how much we appreciate you, because when you have a good time, we have a good time. Thanks for coming back to celebrate with us year after year. Keep smiling, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Who wanna party? We don't need a club. Let's get it started, going all the way up. I got my boys with me. Open the door. Pressing number 50, going to the top floor. Party, party, party in the elevator. Party, party, party in the elevator. Yeah, we going up, up, up. Party in the elevator. Party, we party in the elevator. We're going up, up, like all the way. I got my cup, fill it with a drink. You got the snacks, yeah. DJ up in the back, yeah. Turn the volume up, pump it up to max. No grown-ups allowed, only kids in the crowd. You know it's going down when we going up to the clouds. They can stay here, we'll see them later. Hands in the air, party in the elevator. Who wanna party, party, party in the elevator? Elevator, elevator. Call me a hater, but I don't want no escalator. No stairs up in here, so I'll see you later. We going in the elevator. Who's coming with us? We're going all the way up. We going in the elevator. Who's coming with us? We're going all the way up. Party, we party in the elevator. Party, we party in the elevator. Party in the elevator. Party, we party in the elevator. Party, let's party. Come on. Let's go. We let's party. Come on. Party in the elevator. Party in the elevator. Party. We party in the elevator. Party. We party in the elevator. We going in the elevator. Who's coming with us? We're going all the way up. We going in the elevator. Who's coming with us? We're going all the way up. Party all night. Party all day. No parents allowed. It's time to play. Party all night. Party all day. You know the place. We in the elevator. That's what we prefer. In the elevator. Party in the elevator. Party in the elevator. Yeah, we going up, up like all the way.
These are all my friends. We'll be together till the end. Talented, unique, collectively stronger. Do you comprehend? You've never seen a crew as great as me and you. Squad goals, yeah, that sums it up. Haha, you know it's true.
We're the friends of Chuck E. Cheese, Helen, Bella, and Jasper T. Rocking in the band of make-believe with a bunch and Pasquale. Calling out from you to me. Listen up, I'm gonna spill the tea. Sing with us in perfect harmony. Now come on and join the party.
Ellen Henny is my name. I'm always singing or playing a game. Ready to compete, I can hang with the best. No chick is quite the same.
I'm Mr. Much, how are you today? Upon my cosmic keyboard I play. From another planet, so I'm always learning. And I'm also a DJ.
We're the friends of Chuck E. Cheese, Helen, Bella, and Jasper T. Rocking in the band of make-believe with a munch and Pasquale. Calling out from you to me. Come along and we think you'll agree. Follow Chucky and you're sure to see. Now come on and join the party.
I'm Jasper T playing bass guitar. A simple hound dog, but still a superstar. Man's best friend, or in my case, a mouse. Who love taking walks, even if they're far.
I'm the drummer in this band. My mustache that is the best in the land. Pasquale is my name, let me tell you a joke. What did the left hand say to the right hand? You know, he said, how does it feel to always be right? And it's the right hand is always right.
Hola, me llamo Bella. I'll sing even a cappella. I love to dance and tend my garden. Now here's Chucky, he's a real cool fella.
Chuck E. Cheese here, and that starts with a C. The coolest rockin' mouse you'll ever see. Making sure you're having fun is my goal. No other mouse is quite like me.
We're the friends of Chuck E. Cheese, Ella and Jasper T. Rockin' in the band of make-believe with the mice and Pasquale. Calling out from you to me. Getting together now, that's the key. Just 3 words that CBC. Now come on and join the party.
Put your hands together now. Sing along. Join the party.
They say the grass is greener on the other side, but that's a lie. Now who don't wanna be the cool kid? Fresh pair of kicks, popular school kid. All things high from the top to the socks. At the bus stop, flock full of friends, but watch when they go home. No love is shown, they feel all alone. As opposed to the child who feels that their life is missing something, but maybe it wasn't. There's one thing that you gotta know. Everybody has a story to be told, yeah, that's so. So try not to judge a book by its cover, kid. If you start reading, you'll discover something under it that you may not like. So it's not right to compare lives. You don't know the fight they're going through, cause you ain't right there in their shoes. I'm certain that everybody hurting behind the curtain. If you took a step today, a breath today, well, that's a blessing, you gotta give thanks. If you got food on your plate, don't matter that it's not for late, cause some ain't eating at all. Worry the house and you sleeping is small. When you got shelter and heat, others all curled up in the ball, cause someone will always have more, but no one has all. They say the grass ain't always greener on the other side, and yeah, that's right. So always go on, live your life, keep your future bright. Don't give up the fight. Now who don't wanna be ballin'? Thinking that money makes stress all in. Let's use the example of wife and husband. Got bills up in debt, negative abundance. But let's say one day he get a promotion, come and increase pay. But now he's not home, he's away, working nights late when his kids wanna play. Either way, there will always be pain. There can't be flowers without rain. When the showers come again, increase the power of your flame. If you can dream it and you believe it, then you can achieve it. Don't give in to weakness. It's not about falling down, it's about getting back up when it counts. Yo, I said winners never quit and quitters never win. If your grass ain't green enough, then water it again. Water it again, water it again. Don't stop watering until your life ends. Might be hard at the bottom when you try to flow. No matter the problem, gotta find hope. Live every day like it's the last. Your life is yours, you color the grass.
They say the grass is greener on the other side, but that's a lie. So always live your life, don't let it fly by. Worrying about the other side.
other side. Side, 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 side.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jasper T. Jowls.
My life has been so very empty since you left me. The house feels big, and yet my world seems very small. I sit alone and cry each day ever since you went away. How I miss you since I lost you, my tennis ball. I saw the looks that my friend gave you when he first met you, and he sure seemed to enjoy you, as I recall. I wonder, could it be that he took you away from me? How I wonder where you gone, my tennis ball.
Hey, Jasper. About this song.
Oh, it's great, isn't it, Chucky? Country music has been getting way too commercial. I'm bringing it back to its roots.
Yeah, well, don't you think it's a little depressing?
It's full of emotion, Chucky. It's a song about one dog's undying love for that special tennis ball that got away. It's a story as old as time.
Well, maybe if I added some electric guitar, it might help, pep things up.
Hope you know what you're doing there, Chuck.
Well, go ahead. See what you think.
All day I only hear the silence of your absence. At night I only hear my lonely teardrops fall. Oh, Chuck, oh, how I long to hear the sound of you bouncing on the ground. I just can't seem to forget you, my tennis ball. Now, Chucky, I really don't think this is
I remember rocking through the days with you, doing all the fun things that we used to do. Where did I go wrong? Where did I fall? My one and only tennis ball. I remember all the special times we shared. Through the thick and thin, I knew that you'd be there. You and I together, we've been through it all. You'll always be my tennis ball. You'll always be my tennis ball. You'll always be my tennis ball.
Oh, I guess I'm just a fool to sit here waiting for you. But this fool desires nothing else at all. I'll wait until the day I see you come rolling back to me. But till then I'll just keep waiting, my tennis ball. Oh, brother.
Hey, Jasper,
Chuck, you found it.
go get it. Aw, I like it when he's happy. When life brings you troubles, when things don't go your way, just stay positive and everything will be okay. 'Cause there's a silver lining to every cloud that's gray. So just stay positive. everything will be okay. Yes, just stay positive, 'cause everything will be okay.
I wish that I was outside, just a playing in the sun. But it's raining cats and dogs, and I'm not having any fun.
But there's no better weather for napping, don't you know? And it takes both the sun and the rain to make a garden grow. That's why I say, when life brings you troubles, when things don't go your way, just stay positive and everything will be okay. Because the flowers wouldn't grow, no, if it wasn't for the rain. So just stay positive and everything will be okay. Yes, just stay positive, 'cause everything will be okay.
My team and I are struggling, and we might just lose the game. I know that I have made mistakes, and I feel that I'm to blame.
But there are lessons we are learning with every chance we take. And there's no way to get better if we never make mistakes. That's why I say, when life brings you troubles, when things don't go your way, just stay positive and everything will be okay. 'Cause you're only getting better every time you play. So just stay positive and everything will be okay. Yes, just stay positive, 'cause everything will be okay.
I was doing arts and crafts, and I must have used too much glue, because I'm stuck now to the table, and I don't know what to do.
Well, listen now, Pasquale, because, that is a really tough situation.
Yeah.
Pasquale, you're wearing oven mitts. Why don't you just take your hands out?
Oh! Thanks, Chuck.
Anytime, buddy. Remember now, when life brings you troubles, when things don't go your way, just stay positive and everything will be okay. And if you're stuck, you know I'll be there to help you on your way. So just stay positive and everything will be okay. Yes, just stay positive, 'cause everything will be okay. Whoa! This is the best I've ever done at this game! I can't believe how well I'm doing!
You might be on your game, it might be going good. You might be playing better than you ever thought you could. You're really in the zone and every move is right, and it feels really awesome to be on the winning side. You wanna celebrate, but don't you brag or boast. Don't you be a show-off or the one doing the most. It's better to be gracious, now this I guarantee. And being a sore winner is a losing game to me. So at the end of the game, no matter how well you played, there's something you gotta say. So game on, and come what may, we can all be winners at the way we play. We can win, we can lose, but what's always the same? You're a good gamer when you say good game.
Aw! No! Bella, I was doing so well!
You might be off your game and barely getting by. You might just not be winning even though you try and try. You just can't catch a break and it makes you wanna scream. You're feeling so frustrated, you're not on the winning team. You might be feeling angry, but don't you scream and shout. Don't say it isn't fair and don't stomp your feet and pout. It's better to be gracious, that's always my advice. 'Cause being a sore loser is really losing twice. So at the end of the game, No matter how well you played, there's something you gotta say. So game on, and come what may, we can all be winners at the way we play. We can win, we can lose, but what's always the same? You're a good gamer when you say good game. Games are lost and games are won, and we're just here to have fun. And there's always another day, so just remember what to say. So game on, and come what may, we can all be winners at the way we play. We can win, we can lose, but what's always the same? You're a good gamer when you say good game. Game on, game on, game on, game on. You're a good gamer 'cause you say good game.
Wow, that was a close one. Good game, Bella.
Good game, Chucky.
And now a song dedicated to the most talented pizza chef and drummer in the world, Pasquale the Chef.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Keep drumming, keep drumming. Keep drumming, keep drumming. Keep drumming, keep drumming.
I am so in the groove, man.
You hear that crazy sound and you can feel your heart pounding like the drums.
No drummer machine here.
The energy is in them just to listen to the rhythm of the drums.
Hey, can you turn up the clicker track?
He may not be the brightest bulb in the box, but you gotta have a drummer if your band really rocks. 'Cause it's grooving and they're grooving, nothing keeps the people moving like the drums.
I'm a little drummer boy. Hey, I love playing the drums like I'm making a pizza. But most of all, I love playing the drums while I'm eating the pizza.
Nothing feels neater than keeping with the meter of the drums.
I don't need no metronome.
You gotta move your feet when you feel the heavy beating of the drums.
I just follow the beat of my heart.
You better make sure your drummer's ready to go, 'cause it's a bummer when your drummer doesn't make the show. It's rhythm that you're missing, everybody just to listen to the drums.
Drummers are the backbone of any good band. Ringo got nothing out of me. Drum solo! This is just like playing on my pots and pans in the kitchen. I'm a syncopated man.
The drummer is a rocket, so I'm gonna stop and talking about the drums. Keep drumming, keep drumming. And by now I can tell you that I shouldn't have to sell you on the drums. Keep drumming, keep drumming. The rhythm of the drummer is the heart of the song. Just be sure that his solo doesn't go too long. Of his power is no doubt there is no instrument that's louder than the drums.
Bongo solo! Just kidding.
Hi everyone! We're having a blast here today during our Spring Tastic celebration, aren't we? You know it! I have a fun dance for us to do here today. It's my Spring Break dance. Don't worry, you don't have to be a professional break dancer to do this one. Just spread out 6 feet apart and follow me. Hey everybody, I'm Chuck E. Cheese. I'm just rocking on the mic with the greatest of beats. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do if you wanna get down with the Chuck E. crew. Now I'm so excited cause spring is here. I got a brand new dance for the time of the year. So just follow me and let's start the show. It's a Spring Break dance. Here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Now wave your hands up in the air like they're blowing in the breeze without a care. Then you wiggle like a worm cause the worm is next. Just wiggling in the garden looking no so fresh. Put your hands on your head and spin around. This is how you do the head spin, upside down. Now move like a robot, having fun. Picking flowers in the field in the springtime sun. I just love springtime. Freestyle! Say whoa! Say woo, 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 woo. Now clap your hands to the beat, y'all. And to the beat, just clap your hands. You're a Spring Breaker cause you're doing the dance. So let me see a B-girl, a B-boy stand. Now freeze! You guys are looking great. Hey, DJ Munch, bring that beat back.
DJ Munch?
All my Spring Breakers in the house.
DJ Munch?
Are you ready to do the dance again? Let's keep this party going. One more time. Now wave your hands up in the air like they're blowing in the breeze without a care. Then you wiggle like a worm cause the worm is next. Just wiggling in the garden looking no so fresh. Put your hands on your head and spin around. This is how you do the head spin, upside down. Now move like a robot, having fun. Picking flowers in the field in the springtime sun. Freestyle! Say whoa! Say woo, 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 woo. Now clap your hands to the beat, y'all. And to the beat, just clap your hands. You're a Spring Breaker cause you're doing the dance. So let me see a B-girl, a B-boy stand. Now freeze! Oh yeah! Nice dancing, all you Spring Breakers. Way to move. I'll be back soon to dance again. Until then, have fun today at our Spring Tastic celebration. Chucky out.